Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video I'm doing another episode of drawing LEGO Ninjago characters in my own style. And as a character I chose one of the main antagonists of Season 9, Iron Baron, and I think design-wise he's one of my favorite characters of the Ninjago villains. So let's not wait any longer, turn around the camera and let's start drawing. Iron Baron is the former leader of the Dragon Hunters. He spent his life hunting the elusive Firstborn, the dragon responsible for him losing an arm and a leg. He led the Dragon Hunters through fear and lies, even forcing the female hunter Faith to pretend to be a male under the guise of heavy metal. Eventually his rule came to an end as the Firstborn encased him in molten rock. And is it just me, or does this character remind you as well of the character Bill the Butcher Cutting from the film Gangs of New York? Well, I certainly can see some similarities there. Fact is that I love his design and I'm already having a lot of fun drawing him. Okay, the rough sketch is done. I'm pretty happy with the pose and the proportions of our character. Let's break out the pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Pencils are done, it's time to take this drawing to the last phase, and that is... thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my version of Iron Baron. And if you want to see all the other Ninjago drawings I already made on this channel, please check out the playlist here. And if you liked the video and you want to help out the channel a little bit, why not consider to hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!